to surprise her. Well, I would buy it for her and surprise her. Okay, I'll put it up for you.
At the 10 of Arts shop in historic downtown Carrollton, customer service takes on a whole new level.
You become a family member once you start shopping with us.
In operation for over 30 years, store owner Pat Malone has curated a one-of-a-kind store where shoppers can find something for every occasion.
We have home decor, we have jewelry, we have some vintage things.
And a little bit of everything, so it's a one-stop shop almost.
In addition to souvenirs and gifts, items for sale at 10 of Arts serve a deeper purpose.
This one helps boys' school. There's a lot of boys that are homeless over there. So we buy things from Peru and it helps them with their homeless situation.
Despite its welcoming atmosphere and charitable contributions, business has transformed over the years.
Construction has been hard on us. They've taken parking away.
Found a parking spot, and it's rare to find one of those.
Regardless of how times have changed the area, in downtown historic Carrollton, customers are family.
We're friendly to everybody. You don't get customer service anyplace else like you do down here.
For Laurie Pena, I'm Alice Scott reporting for the Gloria Shields Workshop.